This is going to be a video tutorial on how to block ads and trackers on the Vivaldi web browser. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To block ads and trackers on the Vivaldi web browser, first thing you want to do is go up to the upper left hand corner to where you see the V up here, and you want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up here, in the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then you will scroll down to where you see it says Trackers and Ad Blocking. And by default, the browser is not blocking ads or trackers. The second box over here, you would click on this one if you want Vivaldi to block trackers. And the third box over here, if you want Vivaldi to block trackers and ads, you would click on this third box here. Now Vivaldi is blocking trackers and ads on my browser. Thanks for watching.